Start the class, okay? Okay, so good afternoon to all of you.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Okay, so in the last class, we were discussing on the primary health center staffing pattern and the community health center staffing pattern. Before that, we were discussing on primary health care, principles of primary health care. Then we discussed on essential elements of primary health care. Then the healthcare system. In that we have primary health center and community health center. So whoever were present in the last class, anyone can read out the primary health center, PHC. Somebody read out the staffing pattern. Be fast. Carly, you can read out if you are present.
Primary health center. First contact point between village community and the medical officer is primary health center. Staffing pattern 2, ma'am.
Mm. Staffing pattern.
Okay, then staffing pattern. First is medical officer. Number is 1. Nurse midwife 1. Pharmacist 1. Health worker and female 1. Extension educator 1. Health assistant female 1. Health assistant male 1. Lab technician 1. UDC and LDC 2, that is 1 each. Driver, if vehicle is there, 1. Class 4 4. Total number of staff should be 15. आपने 14 दिया था मैम.
Total number of staffs 14.
Ma'am, if we count one UDC and one LDC, then it should be 15, ma'am.
But from UDC and LDC, one each is there, na? That means out of UDC and LDC, only one will be selected. Either
Oh, okay,
UDC
ma'am.
or LDC, only one will be selected. That's why 14, not both.
Okay, ma'am.
One each. That's why I've given na two. Then in bracket I gave one each. That's
Yes,
why.
ma'am.
Uh,
Then
and
community
community
health
health
center
center.
or CHU. It has 30 indoor beds with one OT, X-ray, labor room, and laboratory facilities. The staffing pattern is first MO, that will be surgeon, obstetrician, physician, and the pediatrician. That is number 4. Next is nurse midwife. Number 7, pharmacist 1, dresser 1, lab technician 1, stenographer 1, ward boy 1, Mali 1, chowkidar 1, peon 1, and Aya 1.
Okay. Total is
And
22.
then 5-year plan. Planning commission. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Read. You read.
5-year plan. Planning Commission was established on March 15, 1950 to form the commission. The main objectives are eradication of diseases. Second, strengthening services through the establishment of PHC. Third, population control. Fourth, development of health manpower resources.
Okay. So this was all about your healthcare system. So now you just write down. Um, you have to make one table. Okay. In the table, you just write down the headline 5-year plans. Write down 5-year plans. 5-year plan. Then you make a table. First line you can write serial number. The middle one will be plan, PLAN plan, and the third in the third line you can write time period. Serial number, next middle will be plan, then time period. You just make a table and keep it in 3 halves. Serial number, plan, time period. In serial number you write number 1. Then in plan it will be first 5-year plan. Plan will be first 5-year plan. first 5-year plan. Then in time period, you can write 1951 to 1956. 1951 to 1956. Then number 2 you write. In serial number below you write number 2. Then plan will be second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan. In time period, it will be 1956 to 1961. 1956 to 1961. 1956 to 1961. Number 3, below number 3, serial number 3. Plan will be third 5-year plan. Third 5-year plan. Third 5-year plan. Time period will be 1961 to 1966. 1961 to 1966. Then serial number 4. Number 4 you write. In the plan, it will be annual plan.
Ma'am,
And yes, क्या
91,
say?
91, 91, sorry,
1961 to
1961 to
1966.
66. Thank you, ma'am.
In serial number next, you write number 4. Then plan will be annual plan. Annual plan. The time period will be 1966 to 1969. 1966 to 1969. Next, number 5. Number 5, the plan will be fourth 5-year plan. Fourth, F-O-R-T-H. Fourth 5-year plan. Fourth 5-year plan. Then the time period will be 1969 to 1974. 1969 to 1974. 1969 to 1974. Then number 6 you write. Number 6. Serial number 6. In the plan, it will be fifth 5-year plan. Fifth 5-year plan. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth 5-year plan. And in time period, it will be 1974 to 1979. 1974 to 1979. 1974 to 1979. Number 7. Serial number 7. Plan will be outlay. O-U-T-L-A-Y. Outlay. O-U-T-L-A-Y. Outlay will be time period 1979 to 1980. 1979 to 1980. Then number 8. Sixth 5-year plan. Number 8 will be sixth 5-year plan. Sixth 5-year plan. Time period will be 1980 to 1985. Sixth 5-year plan. Time period is 1980 to 1985. Number 9. Seventh 5-year plan. Number 9 is seventh 5-year plan. Seventh 5-year plan. Time period is 1985 to 1990. 1985 to 1990. Then number 10, annual plan. Number 10 will be annual plan. ANNUAL. Annual plan. PLAN. Annual plan. Annual plan time period will be 1990 to 1991. 1990 to 1991. Next, number 11. Number 11 is again annual plan. ANNUAL. Annual plan. Number 11 is annual plan. Time period will be from 1991 to 1992. Only 1 year. Okay. 1991 to 1992. Next, number 12. Serial number 12. Plan will be 8 5-year plan. 8 EIGHTH. 8 5-year plan. Time period is 1992 to 1997. 1992 to 1997. Next, number 13. Serial number 13. Plan will be 9 5-year plan. NINTH. 9 5-year plan. 9 5-year plan. Time period is 1997 to 2002. 1997 to 2002. Next, serial number 14. Plan will be 10th 5-year plan. 10th, TENTH, 10th 5-year plan. 10th 5-year plan. Time period is 2002 to 2007. 2002 to 2007. Serial number 15. 11th 5-year plan. 11th, ELEVENTH. 11th 5-year plan. 11th 5-year plan. Time period is 2007 to 2012. 2007 to 2012. Next, serial number 16. Number 16, plan will be 12th 5-year plan. 12th, TWELFTH. 12th 5-year plan. TWELFTH. 12th 5-year plan. Time period is 2012 to 2017. 2012 to 2017. So this is the timetable for 5-year plan starting from 1951 and ending till 2017, from 1st till 12th 5-year plans. So if I ask you in exam to make the table of 5-year plan, so you have to write this whole thing from serial number 1 till 16. Okay, this is the 5-year plan chart or the timetable. So this is all about your primary health care. Okay. So now write down a new topic, new chapter. You can write down unit 4. Write down unit 4. So first topic will be on malaria. We will discuss on malaria. MALARIA, unit 4, malaria. Write down malaria is a protozoal disease. Malaria is a protozoal disease. PROTOZOA A-L. Malaria is a protozoal disease caused by infection caused by infection with parasites of the genus GENUS, parasites of the genus Plasmodium, genus Plasmodium, 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 genus Plasmodium, and transmitted to man and transmitted TRANSMITTED and transmitted to man by certain species of infected female Anopheline mosquito. A should be capital. ANOPHELINE, Anopheline mosquito. MOSQUITO. Anopheline mosquito. MOSQUITO, mosquito. Full stop. Then so malaria is caused by female anopheline mosquito. Okay, the name of the mosquito is female anopheline mosquito, and it belongs from the genus Plasmodium, and it is a protozoal disease. Okay, protozoal disease means, protozoa means what? It is a single cell eukaryote. Okay, it's a free parasite, free living parasite. So malaria is caused by protozoal disease of the genus Plasmodium, and it is transmitted, how it is transmitted to man? By infected female anopheline mosquito. Okay, full stop. Then you write clinical features. Below, write down clinical features and underline it. Clinical features. Clinical features. Write down atypical attack. Clinical features, put a dash and write down. Atypical attack comprises atypical, TYPICAL. Atypical attack comprises COMPRISES. Atypical attack comprises of three distinct stages. Three distinct stages. Write down cold stage, COLD, cold stage, comma, cold stage, comma, hot stage, hot stage, hot stage, and sweating stage, and sweating stage. Then below you write number 1, cold stage. We will discuss these three stages one by one. Write down number 1, cold stage. Write down cold stage, put a dash and write the onset is with the onset, ONSET. The onset is with lassitude, LASSITUDE. Onset is with lassitude, comma, headache.
Then the onset.
The onset is with lassitude, LASSITUDE, lassitude. Lassitude means lack of energy, okay? The body becomes very weak. Physically and mentally also, the person feels very weak from inside. Okay, lack of energy is known as lassitude. The onset is with lassitude, comma, headache, 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 comma, nausea, 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 and chilly sensation, chilly, chilly, chilly sensation, sensation, chilly sensation, followed in an, followed, followed, followed in an hour, followed in an hour or so by rigors, rigors, or so by rigors, full stop. The temperature rises rapidly. The temperature rises rapidly, rapidly. The temperature rises rapidly to CO2 39 to 41 degree, 39 to 41 degree Celsius. C you can write down. 39 to 41 degrees C Celsius, full stop. Headache is often severe. Headache, Headache. Headache is often severe, severe, severe. And commonly there is vomiting. And commonly there is vomiting. Headache is often severe. Means means there will be intense headache, okay? Severe pain. Headache is often severe, severe, severe. And commonly there is vomiting. And commonly there is vomiting, full stop. In early part of the stage, in early part of the stage, STAG, in early part of the stage, STAG stage, comma, skin feels cold, skin, SKIN, skin feels cold, skin feels cold, skin feels cold, comma, later it becomes hot, later it becomes hot, HOT, later it becomes hot, later it becomes hot, full stop. The pulse is rapid, the pulse, PULSE, the pulse is rapid, the pulse is rapid, and may be weak, and may become weak. And may become weak, WEAK, full stop. This stage lasts for, this stage lasts for, this stage lasts for 1/4 to 1 hour. This stage lasts for 1/4, 1/4 you write, 1/4 to 1 hour, HOUR, 1/4 to 1 hour, full stop. Okay, so in the clinical features, what we see, there are 3 clinical features. Okay, first is cold stage, second is your hot stage, and the last is your sweating stage. So these are the 3 stages or clinical features of malaria. So in cold stage, we see that the person becomes very weak. Okay, the onset is with lassitude. Lassitude means weakness. Okay, both physical and mental weakness. And the person will also suffer from headache. There will be feeling of vomiting, that means nausea. Okay, there will be feeling of vomiting, and the person feels very cold. Okay, and then followed in an hour or so by rigors. After all these symptoms, the person will also feel rigor. Rigor means sudden there will be sudden feeling of cold with shivering. The person will feel cold as well as he or she will shiver at the same time. So following all this nausea, chilly sensation, weakness, okay, lassitude, headache, the person will now follow a symptom of rigor. That means he will feel cold. Along with cold, he will also shiver at the same time, and the temperature will also increase. Okay, the temperature will increase very fast. Rapidly means it will at a great speed. The person will feel that his temperature is increasing, and it will increase to 39 to 41 degree Celsius. And there will be headache. Okay, because of the severe headache, the person will feel vomiting, and also at the same time he or she might vomit at the same time. Okay, nausea and vomiting will follow. Next, in the early part of this stage, what will happen? The skin feels very cold. Once it is cold, again after some time, when you touch the skin of the person, again it seems that it is hot. So hot and cold means cold and hot. It will go in that way. First, the skin will feel very cold. After an hour, again when you touch the person's skin, it will be hot. So in the early part of this stage, these symptoms are present. Next, pulse will be rapid. Okay, 60 to 80 beats per minute is the normal pulse rate. So the pulse will increase. Okay, it will be very rapid, and also it might become weak. Sometimes you might not feel the pulse of the person. Means the pulse will be very weak. Like it should be, it should beat every second, but after a few seconds you will see that there is a missing pulse. You won't get the pulse when you try to find out the pulse of the patient. You will not be able to find the pulse because of the rapid pulse rate. Next, and this stage will last for 1/4 to 1 hour. Okay, this stage will last for 1/4 to 1 hour, and after following the cold stage, the person will now have to undergo the hot stage. So number 2, you write hot stage.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, say. Say.
ma'am, we have anatomy practical class, ma'am.
Okay, your ma'am is asking you to join now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we can continue tomorrow. Okay, with hot stage and sweating stage. Actually, there is lots of network issue today. That's why I was not able to take class at 10. It's okay. I will take it tomorrow. And you all please maintain your exercise copies and practical notebook also, okay? Because when you come to college, I'll be
Okay.
checking your notes. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.